Welcome to another part of our CSS tutorial. In this part, I will go over the media rule. With the media rule, you can specify how the page is presented, for example, on screen or when you print the page or depending on the screen size. To use the media rule, you write at media and then you write, for example, screen, or if you want to add the rules for when you're printing, you can write print. And then whatever style you add here will only be applied to when you're printing a page. So I'll write the selector P for the paragraphs, and then I'll add a border of 4 pixels, solid and red color. So before I save, on the right hand side, if I go to print preview, this is what it currently looks like. It has a blue border around the paragraphs. So if I save the style sheet with the updated styles, now if I go to print preview, it should change the border color to red. So if I refresh my page and then go to file, print preview, here you see that the border got changed to red color now. You can also set, like, for example, screen, and then you can also specify screen size. For example, if I give in parentheses, write like min width, for example, and then I'll write 500 pixels. So it'll apply this rule with the red border color for the p tag only when you're viewing on screen and the minimum width of your window is 500 pixels or more. So if I save and refresh and then resize my window to bigger than 500 pixels, you'll see that the border got changed to red color. As you see here, bigger than 500 pixel screen will see a red border, and a smaller screen will see this blue border. You can also add the styling for when you're adding a style sheet to your HTML page. So if I go to my HTML page, right here is where I added this style sheet. So if I write the media property here, and then I can set it to, for example, if I set it to print, in this case this style sheet which I included, style.css, will only get applied when you're printing a page. Otherwise it will not apply that style sheet. So if I save and then refresh, you'll see that on screen all the styling gets stripped out, as you see here. Now if I go to print preview, now you see the styles as you see here. So this is it for the media rule. You can use this to style the web pages depending on the device sizes being used, or depending on if you're printing the page or not. Or you can also set the entire style sheet itself depending on the different media types you have. So if you have any questions, do leave a comment and remember to subscribe. Thank you.